Diagnosis according to the Zhangfu organ patterns. Damp heat in the stomach. This pattern is very similar to damp heat in the spleen, and the two patterns are often closely related to each other. The difference between them is that when there is damp heat in the stomach, there will be signs that stomach qi is disrupted or that there is heat in the stomach channel. Etiology. Invasions by exogenous damp heat, such as the ingestion of spoiled or infected food, living or working in warm and humid conditions, and contact with viruses, bacteria, fungi, and so on that have a damp heat dynamic. Excessive consumptions of food that generate damp heat, such as fried foods and alcohol. Damp heat can often arise as a consequence of chronic spleen qi shu and damp conditions. Symptoms and signs. Heaviness and pain in the abdomen, nausea, vomiting, thirst with no desire to drink, sticky sensation in the mouth, heaviness in the arms and legs, sinusitis, jaw pain, nasal congestion, yellowish sticky mucus in the nose and sinuses, yellowish complexion, yellow sclera, pimples, spots or sores around the mouth, on the forehead or on the cheeks, which are red with yellowish pus, dark yellow urine, yellow greasy tongue coating. The tongue may be red in the middle, fast and slippery pulse. Key symptoms: discomfort or pain in the abdomen, heaviness, yellow greasy tongue coating. The treatment principle: drain dampness and heat, regulate stomach qi. The acupuncture points we choose from: stomach 21, stomach 34, stomach 44, LI 11, spleen 6, spleen 9, Ren 9, and Ren 13. Needle technique: draining and no moxa. Explanation: stomach 21, 34, and Ren 13 regulate stomach qi. Stomach 44 and LI 11 drain damp heat. Spleen 6, 9, and Ren 9 drain dampness. Relevant advice: it is critical that a person with chronic damp heat in the stomach avoid foods and beverages that create heat, dampness, or damp heat. Ideally, alcohol, fried foods, chocolate, hot spices such as chili, dairy products, sugar, and sweets should be avoided completely. The person should also consume a diet that tonifies the spleen, which often is the root cause of the damp. Damp heat in the stomach can be caused by the following pattern imbalances: spleen qi shu, spleen yang shu, damp cold invading the spleen, and stomach fire. Damp heat in the stomach can result in the following patterns of imbalance: spleen qi shu, phlegm, phlegm fire. So damp heat invading the stomach. Etiology: exposure to exterior damp heat. Underlying accompanying pathology: spleen qi deficiency, accumulation of dampness, retention of food in the stomach, stomach heat, damp heat in the spleen. Signs and symptoms: epigastric fullness and pain, feeling of heaviness, facial pain, blocked nose with thick, sticky nasal discharge, thirst with no desire to drink, nausea, feeling of heat, dull yellow complexions, a sticky taste. Pulse, slippery and rapid. The tongue will be red with sticky yellow coat. Treatment principles: clear heat and transform damp. Supplement stomach, disinhibit water passages. For acupuncture treatment: stomach 44, stomach 34, stomach 21, Ren 13, LI 11, Ren 12, LI 4, Ren 11, stomach 40, spleen 9, Ren 9, needle, Ren 9 with drainage. Thank you for your attention.